I'm Darlene, and welcome back to Super at 60. Welcome to my kitchen, and welcome to my home. I have a little visitor visiting today. My little Mudgy, he is here today, and he's watching some Thomas Train. And while he's doing that, I thought, you know what? I'm gonna go through my refrigerator because I need to find something for dinner tonight. And I found an overabundance of mashed potatoes. Yes, they were in the freezer, and I had brought them up to thaw out. And so I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna be as creative as I possibly can be with these mashed potatoes and see what I can come up with. So today, I'm making, are you sitting down for this? A waffle-tato? A tato waffle? Waffle-tato. Let's call it a waffle-tato. I don't know. Y'all will see. I'm gonna put stuff together and you'll see whether you think it's the dumbest thing in the world or the best. I don't know. I don't even know yet. I haven't tried it. Here we go. All right, so I found a big old Ziploc bag, just a big old Ziploc bag down in my freezer, and it had 4 of these little individualized mashed potato bags that I think what happened one day is I found some old potatoes and I wanted to just cook them up no matter what. And so that's what I did. And then I just bagged them up so that I could use them one day when I needed potatoes. Well, I don't really need potatoes right now, but I'm probably at the point now where I need to start thinking about using these up. So I'm gonna take 2 of the bags and I'm gonna put them in a little bowl. And I'm gonna put you down here in a second. I'm gonna let you see what craziness I'm up to today because it is just crazy town here. Excuse me. Just get a towel. All right, oh brownie, see? Crazy town. Here we go. All right, so here's the potatoes. That's 2 bags of potatoes, probably far more than I'm gonna need. I have a little bit of ham here. Just 2 slices of, actually it's just 1 slice. All right, well I have a little less ham than I even thought. I'm just gonna roll it up and slice it up real thin because I'm gonna make ham with cheesy potatoes. Yeah, so that's what our the stuff that we're gonna add. You can imagine just adding about anything. If you had some chopped up green pepper, which I do have, it just happens to be in the freezer. Everything's in my freezer right now, so it's not helping me out very much. I have to start thinking ahead a little bit more. All right, and I'm gonna throw some cheese in here. I'm just winging this, and you can wing it at home too. Whatever you like in your waffle-tato. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a waffle-tato. All right, I'm gonna put a pinch of salt in here and a little pinch of pepper. You can put garlic in there if you want to, garlic powder or granules if you like. Whatever you want. It's just whatever you want. Okay, over here, let me show you this. Hold on a second. Yep, here it is. One really, really hot waffle. I'm gonna give it just a quick spray because I don't want anything to stick. Just like that. And I'm just gonna take my potato mixture here. This is so easy. It's just such an easy thing to think about doing. And I'm just gonna take my impeccably clean hands because I knew I would need them to be clean. And yeah, they're a little liquidy, but that's okay. I hope. All right, I'm gonna spread them down here, right on the waffle machine. I know this looks crazy. I just know it. And I'm gonna leave it just like that. Just be very careful because it is hot. All right, press it down as far as I can. All right, here we go. Down it goes. And I'm gonna lock it. I think I'm gonna lock it. Yep, I think it's locked. No, it's not. Now it's locked. All right, so I'm gonna leave it there for about, I don't know, I'll check on it in about 5 minutes because that was a lot of cold potato in there. 5-7 minutes, something like that. And we'll just see what happens. I'm so darn curious. All right, Waffatato is out of the waffle maker. It smells like $1,000,000 in here and it looks beautiful. And I have to admit, I had some. I already had some. I couldn't wait. Look at my plate. Look at that. I ate it. I ate like almost half of it. It's so good. It is so delicious. The smell in my kitchen alone is incredible. All right, here goes my taste for you. I did put a little bit of sour cream and a little bit of extra cheese over the top and even some chives I went out and chopped off from my little herb garden. Here we go. Oh. Okay. It's so good. It's just so good. It was in the waffle iron for about, I was in there for about 5 minutes. And I went to check and I could tell, you know how you know when a waffle's not done yet. So I closed it back up. Don't just open it up lot, just open it up just a little bit, just for a little peek. And it wasn't done. So I let it go for a full 10, almost 11 minutes. And when I finally opened it, it was crispy, crunchy, brown and golden on the top. It took a little bit of digging just to get it out from the bottom, but it did come out. And it would make a beautiful, if you want to make a tray full of these, you know, they would be beautiful. Keep them warm, maybe in the oven while you're making them. That's probably what I'll do tonight because I think this is going to be our dinner. I do. I'm going to put a little bit more ham in and some more cheese and anything else that I might find in there. I'm not sure. Maybe we'll do some custom ones. Maybe some Mexicana with some salsa, jalapenos. Oh, I mean, the sky's the limit what you can do with these potatoes in a waffle iron, of all things, you know, a waffatato. I have no idea how to spell it. I'll figure it out and I'll let you know. But waffatato is on the table at the Super at 60 house tonight, and I hope that it's going to be on your table too. I hope you'll give it a try. It's just a lot of fun. You know, Everett was here today with me, and I thought, what can we do fun? What can we just do fun in the kitchen, you know? So instead of just making a regular old waffle, I thought I'd pull out these old potatoes and see what kind of new life we could give them. And oh my goodness, it was just fun. And they are so delicious. If you are a potato lover, Waffatato needs to be on your list. All right, I will see you guys real soon. We're headed out to the Turtle Sandbox. Yes, we are in the swing set. And we're going to have a good time this afternoon because it's sunny and warm, and I'm so excited. And I have my little munchie here. What could be better? I'll see you guys soon. I hope you had fun today. Lord bless. Okay, let it drip. Are you ready? Blow Brownie some bubbles. She likes bubbles. Hey, Brownie, here come your bubbles. Oh, yay! Look at them all. Get them, Brownie. Get them. Look at them going. They're everywhere.
There's a bubble on you.
There's a bubble on me. Oh, get it. Get some more. Oh, joys.